Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi 12 Lite, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. To start off, we would like to show how you can set up the fingerprint unlock method for your screen. So open settings, enter the passwords and security category, and tap on the respective field that says fingerprint unlock. First step is to choose the backup screen lock method from the list of pattern, pin or password. I'll go with the pattern myself. Now set and draw the pattern that you would like to use. After that, confirm it once again. The scanner is located right over here at the bottom part of the screen. So in order to enroll your fingerprint, you gotta gradually lay it and lift it onto the and from the sensor. Make sure to slightly change the angle each time you lay your finger into the scanner, so the entire surface of it will be successfully and correctly scanned. So as you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled, so let me just go ahead and test it out real quick. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues at all, and well, fairly swiftly, should I say. Alrighty, the next feature or option for this video is located at the display category, so let me just quickly enter it. It is called the refresh rate, and basically two values to choose from, 60 or 120. 60 Hz will get you longer battery life. 120 Hz will consume more power, but at the same time it will provide you with smoother, crispier and like silkier animations and generally visual experience. So moving on to the next feature, that is always on display, and how you can enable and configure it as well as customize. So in order to turn it on, you gotta enter the respective always on display and lock screen category of settings. Go for the always on display field and switch on this toggle. After that, you can choose the display mode for it. Decide whether it will be switched on or switched off each time you enable the battery saver. Then choose what theme and appearance and design you would like for it to have. We can go for the signature, which you can write any text for, whatever text you'd like. Set it to be the theme of analog clock, kaleidoscope, digital clock, and some cool background images. Each of those versions has its own configurations, which you can also change, as you can see right over here. And as a bonus, you can also set any custom image that you have in your gallery by going for the My Theme field and clicking on the custom image. Just choose what image you would like to use. Then you can personalize the text color, clock position, and what items will be visible. Once you're ready to install the AOD, and you have made your mind about the design that you'd like to have, just click on this blue apply button, and once I turn off my screen and tap on it, that's how the always on display that I've just configured looks. Alrighty, that was 3. The fourth option for today is located at the special features category. It is a very awesome option, a very useful one as well. It is called the heart rate, and it allows you to measure your heart rate through, well, laying your finger onto the fingerprint scanner. So just all that you need to do in order to measure your BPM is to lay and wait until this little countdown ends. And after that, it will provide you with an exact amount of heartbeats per minute that you have, thus what pulse you have. As you can see, mine is 78. So basically, if you do not have any kind of, let's say, smartwatch or any other accessory or device that is capable of measuring the heart rate, you can, this Xiaomi can do it just fine for you. Alrighty, moving on to fifth and final feature for this video that is located at the additional settings category. It is called the memory extension, and it allows you to increase your random access memory amount by 3 GB through occupying the respective amounts of memory from the internal storage that you have. So all that you need to do in order to turn this feature on is to switch or enable the toggle and reboot the system. So let's wait until the phone gets restarted. Alrighty, I'll quickly enter my SIM pin, and in order for me to see whether the changes that I've made have taken effect or not, I'll simply go to the hardware specifications of this phone. So let me open up the settings, then I'll enter the about phone, all specs, and in here I can clearly see that in addition to the default 8 GB of RAM, I have successfully added a bonus 3. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.